Hi, I'm Dustin the tutor, and today I want to give you 3 ways to overcome writer's block. These are ways that I have used with my students, and I've found them to be successful. So these are tricks that I'm using every week, and they work. Let's take a look. All right. The first method is to plan. Oftentimes, when someone is having a difficult time getting started on a writing, it's because they haven't generated any ideas. And of course, it's going to be difficult. So there's 2 steps to this. The first is to brainstorm, and there are many ways to do this. I've just listed 3 here. It could be creating lists, could be doing free writes where you just don't stop writing for a limited period of time. You don't edit, you don't think about grammar, etc. Or it could be something like creating a mind map. Well, the next step is to organize your ideas. Maybe for an essay, you create an outline, or maybe if it's a timed writing, you'll create a quick concept map that is, maybe it's a few circles. You have 1 circle leading to 3, and you have your thesis, and then you write down your body paragraph topics, and then under that, a few supports. And that's going to help you get ready. So number 1, plan. The other thing is there are a lot of graphic organizers online, which you can print out to help you with creating these plans. The next tip I have is to focus on the next word. This is one of my favorite tips because what I find often happens is as writers, we are thinking about the whole project and it can become very overwhelming. So for instance, maybe we think about the whole essay or the whole book you're going to write if you're planning on publishing a book. And it's just so overwhelming. So shifting your focus from the big picture to simply the next word can really help. For my students, I ask them to write the word the and think of the next word that could come after that. And 9 times out of 10, this works. And after they write the word the, they're writing in maybe 10 or 20 seconds. The last tip I have for you is to simply write anything. Count yourself down, maybe from 3 to 1. At the end of that countdown, you must write a word. It doesn't matter if it's silly, it doesn't make sense. Blast through the pitfalls of being a perfectionist and just write down anything to get started, because really that is the challenge here. It's not that you need to come up with something perfect, it's just that you need to get started. I'm Dustin the tutor. If you find videos like this helpful, consider following along. And if you think this would help somebody else, consider sharing it with them. I lead a small group of tutors at goodenglishtutors.com. I'm an educator, so I've chosen tutors who I think are very capable of helping students meet their goals. They've got experience, they've got patience, and they specialize in a particular area of English. Thank you so much for listening. I'll include the link for that down below, and have a great day.